Class 9 students, this is the continuous class of trigonometry from Concise Mathematics Selina Publisher, chapter 21a. Although it is explained, I have given you the formula page again so that you can take it and memorize it. These are the formula, you take screenshot and memorize. Now I am going to solve sum from here. Sum number 8. It is given that sec a equal to this, evaluate sin a minus 1 by tan a. Since sec a value given, so sec a value given, we know sec a means hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse is this, base is this. See, I have drawn a diagram. Sec a means I have given angle A here, hypotenuse 29 is written here, and base is 21 written here. Now Pythagoras theorem, if you apply, the x value you consider and get 29 square minus 21 square. Since it is perpendicular, so we have to give minus sign here. Only hypotenuse calculating time, plus sign required to give. So we have got x value 20. Now we have to find value of this. Sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse, and tan means perpendicular by base. 1 by perpendicular by base. By base I am writing here above directly. Now this perpendicular 20 right here, hypotenuse 29, base 21, perpendicular is 20. Now you do LCM. Then 20 into 20 here, 29 into 21 here. Do subtraction, greater one is minus, so you have to give minus here. So this is the answer. See sum number 10, given 4 cot A equal to 3, find this value. So 4 cot A equal to 3, 4 will go that side. Now cot means base by perpendicular, so base 3 perpendicular 4. Now x, if you consider this one, then I told you hypotenuse calculating time you have to give plus sign. 3 square plus 4 square, so this is 9 plus 16, 25, that is 5 square. So x equal to 5, it is written here. Now we have to find sin a. Sin is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so perpendicular 4 here, hypotenuse 5 here. This is the answer. And sec a, hypotenuse by base, so hypotenuse is 5 and base is 3. This is the answer. Similarly, cosec hypotenuse by perpendicular whole square, cot base by perpendicular whole square. Put the value and simplify, get answer. Sum number 12. 12 in right angle triangle, given that A is acute angle and tan A equal to 5 by 12. So tan A is equal to 5 by 12. So this one you consider AC x, or AC square equal to 5 square plus 12 square. So you are getting AC equal to 13 right here. Now cos A, base by hypotenuse, so base is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. Sin A, perpendicular by hypotenuse, so perpendicular is 5, hypotenuse is 13. Now cos A plus sin A, already cos A you have got, sin A you have got. Now put the value, cos A, sin A, cos A, sin A, then do LCM and simplify, get answer. Sum number 13, you see, given sin theta equal to P by Q, find cos theta plus sin theta. So sin theta equal to P by Q given, so sin perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now x square equal to Q square minus P square, so x equal to root over of this. That means x value you have got, this x value is here. Now we have to find this, cos is base by hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So base is this is base, hypotenuse is Q, perpendicular is P, hypotenuse is Q. Take LCM Q, so this is here, Q, P is here, so that is the answer. Now see cos A equal to given half. So 1A you write, one triangle you write, cos is base by cos A, that is base by hypotenuse. So base is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Sin B, another triangle you draw, sin is perpendicular. So perpendicular is this, hypotenuse this. So here x you calculate from that Pythagoras theorem, and here y you consider base, so y equal to you consider from Pythagoras theorem. Then tan A from this triangle perpendicular by base, root 3 by 1. Tan B from this triangle perpendicular by base, that is 1 by 1. Similarly tan A from that triangle and tan B from this triangle. Now calculate and see here, root 3 plus 1. So you make surds free, conjugate surds, root 3 minus 1. So you multiply both numerator and denominator. So denominator will be a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So root 3 square is 3 and 1 square is 1. And numerator a minus b whole square, that is root 3 minus 1 whole square. That is root 3 square means 3 plus 1 square means 1 minus 2 into root 3 into 1. Now 3 minus 1 2, 3 plus 1 4, you take 2 common, 2 to cancel, that is the answer. That's all for this video.